Yep. Ooh, nice.
That's a giant one.
Dude, he just crushed it.
Look at this beast.
Let's go, buddy! Yes!
Nothing beats that.
Let's go!
How about that, eh,
Dude,
Malsey?
giant Pike, all right.
All right, here we go. Year 2, Namakan Lake, back up in Voyageurs National Park. Second year with the dads, really looking forward to it. Got up really early this morning, trying to beat some rough weather this afternoon. Just like usual, boat problems. Luke blew a tire on the trailer coming up, so he's about 30 minutes behind. So we're gonna get out to the camp, set up tents, get some wood, hopefully get everything dry, and then we'll see what happens tonight. But looking forward to some good fishing, some good times, and we'll see what we can do. Cheers, buddy. Cheers.
Cheers, boys.
Let's run it again.
Home for the weekend, baby.
All right, we made it. Second annual dad's trip up to Namakan. We just unloaded everything. It's like a 150-yard walk up to the top of the campsite where all the tent pads are. But we're gonna go have a few beers with these dads. I think they're super excited, and hopefully we're gonna get out fishing tonight. We're gonna make some burgers over the grill, and we're just gonna enjoy our time up here. I mean, look at this place. It's unbelievable.
Loser cooks dinner.
All right, we're going out. Boys versus dads. Loser cooks dinner. We're gonna frickin' smoke them. They're just talking crap all night long. They're done. Their time is over. Let's go.
This is our time.
Yeah. Let's go. Under league. Two-stroke love. Wow. Yeah. Idiots. There goes my boat. She needs some redemption up in Voyageurs, man. Last one was tough, dude. We ruined the cover, we ruined the wheel bearings. We had to leave early. We got caught in a blizzard. Battery died. We were sinking. It was game over.
You want to keep going with that?
No, that was pretty much the gist. Just as we expected, storm rolling through. I bet you the dads are out there crushing fish right now, but we're gonna be the good sons and go make them some burgers, get ahead of the game a little bit, clean up camp, make sure nothing's getting soaked that we don't want. But it was fun. We went prospecting a couple spots. Nothing really happened, but hopefully we can go bag them tomorrow after some burgers and beers, baby. Let's go. So early morning on Friday, we all kind of cashed it in pretty early last night, had some burgers and just knocked out. None of us got great sleep the night before, so just getting packed up, ready to go out fishing a little bit. Might be a little bit of rain today, hopefully not too much, but weather seems pretty decent. Winds died down a little bit from yesterday, so hopefully we smack them better than yesterday. Let's do it. Let's go find some fish today, doo-dah, doo-dah. We're gonna go find some fish today, all the live long day.
Well, I was born just west of the river, Mississippi mud running in my veins. And on the road is where I found freedom. And hotel rooms is where I found peace.
Yeah. Luke, you team live bait today? Yeah. Keys, what are you rolling with?
Hey,
Got
Keith, don't step
a
back.
gold jig,
Little trusty color. It's top secret in most states, but it works up here.
Vinny, what do you got on?
Got a white jig, underspin, little mare orange classic, and then I won't be far behind.
Before I started school, Mom and Dad said we're headed south, we're gonna move. Well, I hung on for a year or two after, but I forgot the house and trail ridge road. I spent my whole life running from Iowa. It's gonna be a long way home. And it's gonna take my heart and soul,
Fish.
I ought to see it now.
Buddy.
Or in the night.
Nice smallie, hit the rainbow. First one for me.
Someday I'll put off the robe somewhere in the East Des Moines. And I'll find that little church where my family filled the pews. I spend my whole life running from Iowa. It's gonna be.
Weeds down there. Yeah? No? Yeah. Very good. Good one? Oh my god.
What are you dancing with here?
Come on. Oh my god. Dude! Let's go, buddy.
That's a big pike.
That's a big old play.
Well, Mama picked the berries and she put it in the wine. You know everybody gonna have a real good time. We all on a black coach getting real high. Pass around the bottle.
It's
Look at this beast. Get this side, Cody. So cut up.
Dude, it's over 4. Congrats, buddy.
Thanks,
You
boys.
got 240-inch pike.
That's a beast.
Let's go, buddy! Yes! Yes! Yes!
I didn't even know if it was a fish at first.
I know.
I'm like,
Yeah,
maybe, and I'm like,
maybe,
wait.
Maybe not. Dude, and then just went straight under the
Big
boat. Like,
game.
what do you do?
Hunting. Big game hunting.
Come on, boys. Little beer trip? Yeah.
Well, Daddy cut the hickory and he's making it smoke. The front porch pickers all take another toke. We all start singing that way up high to pass around the bottle of your mom's whiskey.
I know you.
What?
Started throwing a chatterbait. 20-inch northern, 20-inch northern, 40-inch northern.
Did you really? Way.
Where? I want to see pictures of this. I knew you had something because I looked at you, I looked at Vinny, I'm like,
It was
you are up
so
to
big.
something, man.
That's so big.
It was so fat, we didn't think it was 40.
Really?
Just ate some lunch, heading out for a little afternoon bite. Told the dads about the 40. They were pretty pumped, so that was cool. Storm passed through. Sun's kind of peeking out, wind's dying down, so we're gonna make a 10-mile trek to a spot we found a couple years ago, and haven't been able to find the walleye yet, but hopefully tonight our luck changes.
Can't you smell what old bear's cooking? Them collard greens are so good looking. Man, I've been away from home too long.
That's how they like them. Hell yeah. That little guy came right off that rock, right there, Keith, right where Keegan cast. Dude, he just crushed it. Just crushed it. Love it. Love it. Good work. My contact jack. Yep, that's a fish. Why?
Is it?
Yep.
Is it bigger?
Decent.
Let's go, dude.
That's nice walleye.
Come on the board. Walleyes, we needed it. Needed it. Check out that beauty. Not the thickest thing I've seen in my life, but nice solid fish.
You got any blue in it?
Yeah. Check out the blue tail.
We got the fire made, as you can see. It was a slow night of fishing, but came in to make some brats, get warm finally. It's been misting and been kind of crappy all evening, but gonna have a beef stick for a little appetizer, and I think we got brats on the menu, so just gonna enjoy some time, maybe have a drink, chill out for the rest of the night.
So are we doing the same 3 awards as last year when we did those awards? Biggest crappie, biggest fish caught from shore, and best clothesline?
Nice, dude. Not huge, but still a good fighter.
I literally thought it was a snag. I tried to snap it off. Thank God that wasn't a walleye.
Smallie.
Big one.
Another one on the board. It's a nice smallie. Finally get a tape on one of these.
18.
Yeah, you're using all 20 pounds of your line.
Swim, could he?
Yep. Ooh, nice.
Be big. Be a giant. Let the drag go if he wants to go. Oh, there's another one. Another giant. Is it 40?
Getting there.
Oh my god! Oh my god! Oh my god! Dude! That's a stud. Dude, I mean, unreal. Look at that thing. Wow. Vinny, get pictures of
37 and something.
37 3/4.
Alright, pick him up quick.
Thank you, honey. Thanks, Pike.
Swift release too. Love to see it. Nothing beats that.
Let's go, dude. Let's go!
How about that, eh,
Dude,
Ballsy?
giant pike? Alright. Whatever. No walleye. We'll take it, eh?
Just got back in from morning, afternoon fish. Slow start to the morning. We kind of took the bad weather as a chance to sleep in, kind of get some energy for a couple grind days of fishing. Woke up, winds blowing pretty heavy from the other direction, so we couldn't go out to the main lake. Walleye fishing's been really slow, so we kind of switched up tactics and fished shallow for northerns. Cody caught a big 37.5, so that was a plus. Other than that, one walleye, couple smallmouth. So we're came back, made a fire, gonna make some food, maybe go out in the afternoon for a bite, and we'll see what happens. That's all we can do.
Cheers, boys.
Cheers, cheers.
Alright, plan for the day is to battle the snow. We're not sure what we have in store yet. We're having a little fire right now. We're getting pelted in the face by snowflakes. Never thought I'd say that in May. But we're gonna go out, try and find some fish this afternoon, maybe take a run up to Kettle Falls depending on the weather. Hopefully this wind dies down a little bit because we gotta go north. So it looks pretty choppy. I don't know, hopefully we'll just stay tuned with us today. It's kind of like up in the air, just depending on weather and what we can do. So we're gonna make some good food later, some pasta and fish. If we have to, we're gonna go and find some pike, get them ready for the frying pan tonight. So let's see what happens. Let's go.
Snow on kegs.
I don't mind that.
Yeah, that does not suck. It's better than rain.
Who's box?
It's gonna keep stuff around here a little bit nicer. Hopefully don't get as muddy. Probably gonna go fishing though. It's been a while. We're just kind of sitting waiting for maybe some of this weather to pass, but never did. Just keeps coming in spotty.
Yeah. Get a patch of sun, then followed by a patch of snow. So
That's pretty much it.
all you can do.
All you can do. Let's go catch some fish.
Yeah.
We gotta get a fish fry.
Yeah.
We'll catch the big ones, you guys provide.
Some walleye.
You guys find anything out next
Sure.
city gets there?
Yeah. I'll call you. Like you've called us.
We're going. Don't you pay again, or you're not trying to stay home? Another thing.
I don't hate doing what we just did yesterday, and maybe just check the falls out again. Fish that bay where we caught the northern.
Well, I went to the dang old medicine man just to see what he had for free. I said I'm getting up there and this old gray mill just ain't what it used to be. Well, my heart aches worse than ever on account of the company I keep. Well, he chuckled and I asked him to say something funny, then he smiled and said to me, "Oh, son, if your bed still rocks at night time, I ain't no doubt you're gonna be just fine." Said if your bed still rocks at night time, well, there ain't no drug better I can find. But make sure you get your rest in the daytime, 'cause if your bed's still rocking, you're still alive.
Oh no! Dude, oh my gosh, it's giant.
No.
We're feeling falling. You're just feeling falling. Let's go!
It's a giant walleye.
Let's go. It's what we needed, boys.
Yes.
Just choke that jerk bait. Nice. So we needed, baby. We need it. Let's go.
Good work.
Thank you. 23. Nice. Golden loins, baby. Golden loins. Let's find something here, huh? Can't keep that, right?
Nope.
Believed every word he said, and ever since then I got a healthy regimen when it's time to go to bed. Son, if your bed still rocks at nighttime, well, there ain't no doubt you're gonna be just fine. Said if your bed still rocks at nighttime, well, there ain't no drug better I can find. But make sure you get your rest in the daytime, 'cause if your bed's still rocking, you're still alive. Make sure you get your rest in the daytime, 'cause if your bed's still rocking, you're still alive.
Dude.
Holy, good work, good work.
Got that, Cody?
Yeah. All right, well, that's a wrap for fishing. We got into a couple today, bagged our first nice walleye, which is nice. It was 23 inches. But we found out it was more of a jerkbait bite. We're hitting a lot of points, a lot of different bays that were shallow. But didn't produce much. A couple pike that we got in the live wells ready to eat for our fish fry, because couldn't find any walleye, but that's all right. It was a fun trip. A little cold today, but I think everyone still had a good time, so I can't complain. Let's go, boys, let's go. We got a lot of work ahead of us.
Didn't really have too much luck walleye fishing, and needed some fish for food tonight, so we kept 3 pretty good sized northern, but a lot of meat on these. Fillet them, cook them up, and have some food for everyone. Everyone's pretty hungry. It's a cold day and been out fishing for a while, so cut these up, and you'll see Luke making it here in a bit.
have him do the outro? Todd can do the outro.
Yeah.
Go ahead. Gary, do the outro.
Line 'em up.
Let's go.
Line 'em up that way.
Do it.
I don't want any.
No, come on.
No.
Let's go. You guys are
I'm not about talking. I'm on me catching fish.
I never on it. Kee's got the biggest pike, I got the biggest walleye, and Kee's got the biggest smallie. Great. Gary got the biggest. Gary got the biggest crappie off the island.
Tom, kind of did damn near touch them all.
about 8-pound sucker.
It's good. We finished up dinner. We got some stuff packed up, so we're ready to go early in the morning. But I don't know. We're just gonna sit here, enjoy a couple drinks, and talk about the weekend. That'll be good.